Here we go, new hype project in the Web3 where you guys can literally earn money for literally doing nothing besides spending your time on the social medias. Do you guys remember Portal? One of the most hype projects in the entire Web3 scene right here. We did make a video about it. It was absolute freaking hype. You guys could earn Portal by engaging in the social media. The same thing is happening again with Block. For everybody that doesn't know about Portal, make sure to watch that video right here. People have been getting airdrops. We're talking about tens of thousands of dollars. I have a friend who got over $70,000 airdrop literally for free for posting Portal content for 3 weeks. And now you have the same chance again to make an absolute freaking bank before this crazy NFT hype is going to be started. And that one is called the BlockGames. And you might be saying, yeah, that Portal was nice, it was crazy hype, and that's because of their reputation, because of their following and everything. I can't guarantee that you guys will be going crazy with Block. However, as we can see right here, the followers are even high on BlockGames right here. The likes, the comments, the engagement is absolute freaking insane. They've been in this scene for a very long time. A lot of big influencers are into this as well. As you can see, just from the first freaking video right here where you guys can start farming Block right here, you can see 530,000 impressions, 11,000 likes, and a shit ton of retweets and everything, which actually signs for a very, very high project. It just got started 17 hours ago when I record this video. It's never too late to actually grab some free Block right here. All you need to do is engage with some social media, which I'm going to show you right now. If you guys enjoy these sort of videos right here in Web3, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, make sure to subscribe to my channel right here. My name is George NFT, and I would say let's get right into the video. First things first, you got BlockGames, the website right here that you guys can check out yourself. It's a cross-chain, cross-game, decentralized player network, accelerating user growth for games right here. There's the pre-sale dashboard, which, by the way, was absolutely insane for Portal, so I might be jumping into that as well right here. The website, the web app, the Google Play, they're literally everywhere. You can also check out your Discord right here. The crazy part is there's also those dices right here, which are going to be multipliers for your lovely boosting, but I'm going to talk about that in a second. They're selling for 0.6 ETH right now, 2.7k, which is quite a bit, but I think they're actually very worth it. So after you go into the website right here, my referral code is in the description. George NFT is my referral. You guys can help me out as well by signing up on this project right here for free by just typing in my name in the referral one. If you guys click my referral code, it will automatically fill it up when you guys make an account. This is how the app is going to look like. It has a mobile format, I would say, right? And as we can see, you guys will be getting Block, which is the new cryptocurrency, which was the same as Portal, based on the points you guys will have farmed by the end of the farming session. You guys can see it at the top right here. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is the social aspects right here, which means we're going to go ahead and do all the Twitter thingies, and I'll see you in a second. Account linked, easy points. After you complete a task, you can literally just click on claim right here. You guys will be getting your airdrop boost right here. As you can see, you successfully earned 150 airdrop points right there. The more points, the more Block you guys will be receiving. Then we're simply gonna do a tweet right here, which is automatically done. Just go ahead and post this bad boy. Boom chakalaka. Make sure to smash it. Follow me on Twitter. I'm following every single one of you guys back as well. A lot of people have been following me lately. Make sure to be following every single one of you guys back. Let's connect. There we go, already 400 points. That is very, very easy, actually. You just have to follow a bunch of people right here, and we are gonna be getting a multiplier as well, which is very interesting because we somehow managed to get a 2x multiplier, which I think everybody will be able to get right here, which is under airdrops as well. And then if you guys go to the lovely social one right here, the complete profile will get you 2x a lovely multiplier. You can also buy the bonus dice, which again costs 2.7 ETH right here, and you can get up to 10 times points right here as a multiplier, which is super, super OP. So if you guys want to go all the way up to the top right here, you definitely need to go ahead and get yourself one of those bad boys. After you purchase the dice on OpenSea, you can connect the wallet to this right here, and you guys will be getting your multipliers right there, which is absolutely insane. You can also play some games right here, but we'll check that out in a second. We will go ahead and follow all these people first. And after completing all the easy tasks right here, we have already over 1,000 engagement points right here, which I'm very happy about. As we can see, there is no more tasks to do right now. There will be more tasks coming, so make sure to be completing those as soon as possible in order to get back to the dice game right here. You also will be able to stake this dice, 1,000 points per dice right here. Shout out to Mr. Alan right here, one of my homies. He actually bought 10 freaking dice, and he's getting 10,000 freaking points right here. That is absolute freaking insane. And again, the dice is definitely the way to go if you guys want to go to the top right here, which means you need to invest into the assets right here, which kind of makes sense, I guess. It's not completely free to play right here, but you can still do it for free right here as you guys can see right here. We're gonna see how much we actually gotta make from the social experiment. Now, this is the most important one right here, the social aspect right here. Social points to tag block or at get BlockGames in your tweets right here to engage in other social points automatically. It is very important to mention that they're gonna be paid out once a week right here. You do not get those points after a week, so you're gonna be accumulating them every week. You're gonna get them paid out on your account right here. So this is the most important one. So make sure we're connecting on Twitter right here. There's groups where you guys can farm them. So many different people, everyone will go nuts. And then as you can see, there's over 300,000 freaking posts already about this right here. It's actually insane. The amount of freaking block you guys will see on your timeline is gonna be incredible. It literally gives me flashbacks to Portal, and yeah, you guys definitely want to get on the grind. And finally, right here, that's a referral code. I'm going to put this into the description down below. And we're going to be getting 1,200 credits. Hey, that's absolutely nice. And 120 pace points for every active friend you're going to be invited. So that's going to be super, super nice. The referral link will be down below. Let's freaking go. And the final section is the discovery one right here, where you guys will be able to get yourself all the different stuff right here that you guys can go ahead and read about as well. And complete your profile will get you another 1,000 points, which I'm going to do in a second as well. And pretty much everything right here you guys should be checking out in order to get yourself as many block as possible. And with that said, get into the farm, and the earlier the better. There is so many free rewards waiting for you. We're not talking about some weird ass 500 bucks. We talk about tens of thousands of dollars you guys can actually earn right here for free. So get in the grind, join with the referral code down below. Make sure to be joining the lovely farming. And yeah, good luck everybody. I'll see you after the experiment ended. Subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and of course, make sure to tell all your friends, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter so I can follow you back and we can connect. Have a good one, boys, and peace out.